Hi everyone, this is the Gaming Lord. I'm sorry about the non-uploads that I've not been doing. Is shout down the bottom next to Clash Royale, as you can see in Minecraft, has not been working, but Tutu app next to YouTube here that you can see moving around the screen has helped me. So, without further ado, let's get on to this video. Today I'm going to be playing Clash Royale. I have finally joined a clan called 69ers. I know it's a funny name, but yeah, it's good. So if you'd like to join this clan, so go into search, go into show, go into clan location, go on to all the way down to New Zealand. I'll just go get there. New Zealand, there it is. Then just do can I joins only, then just do 69ers. And if you come down, you'll see me. Drag a game on this, but so please join. We only have 2 more spots left. Be the lucky one. So let's just battle. I am Arena 3, and I am not that good. Hopefully I can win it, get a winner of it. Just sending a smiley face and a good luck. So, giant. Okay, you want to take there? I'll take there. Oh, my little barbarians. Go, my barbarians. Oh yeah, you want a barbarian fight. Barbarians. Get lost. Get the witch. She's an evil witch. You evil witch. Damn it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Sorry about the swearing. Just I get really mad when I'm losing stuff. So you like to win, huh? Oh my god, really? Let's get my Valkyrie and lay up there. Hey, dude! Help! Please, please. Okay, let's just get in there and let's shoot around King Tower. Yeah. Screw your little archers. Nope. Get my barbarians. Go barbarians. Go Master Barbarian. Get rid of their archers, barbarians. Go barbarians. Do your job, barbarian. Could you barbarian, berry, and berry? And I'll call you Barbary. Go Barbary. She killed Barbary, little bitch. And I lost. Nice knowing you. Again. Leave me alone, people. Give me someone easy to verse. Give me someone super easy to verse. Please. Please let me win. 3, 2, 1. I win, please. Yay. Okay guys, we have currently defeated 1 person. Thanks to their stupidity. I win. There it is again, and the ear horn. Hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, and until next time, goodbye.